So in this video, I am going to show you how to buy Binance Coin at ticker symbol BNB in Canada using Wealthsimple Trade. So once Wealthsimple is opened up under accounts, go to where it says crypto and go into your crypto account, then press on the black trade button. At the top here where it says search, type in ticker symbol BNB. And then you guys will notice a couple different options here. You want to select the one at the top. In this case, this is Binance Coin and cryptocurrencies. Then go to the bottom and press buy. Once you're on this screen, you can type the amount of Binance coin you want to buy. So if you wanted to do $4 worth as an example, it'll show you how much that will actually be purchasing. And if all looks good and you want to go to the next step, press on review. Once you're here, you can review the order, make sure that it all looks good to you. And if you want to proceed, go to the bottom, press submit to follow, or to continue with the transaction that way. So pretty simple, pretty straightforward. That's how you guys can buy Binance Coin in Canada using Wealthsimple Trade. Thanks again for watching, and I hope this video helps.